Bua na Cainte dó. Bhrí na nain. Bhrí na nain. An drolín. An tullar. An préachan. An londumh. An chuach. An spidóg. An cancuts. Again, this is different in some books. You could have an cancuts or ulchaván, whichever one you're used to. Ulchaván. So in some books you have ulchaván or an cancuts. An spidóg, an chuach, an drolín, an tullar, an préachan, an londumh. An chuach is the cuckoo. An drolín, an spidóg, an tullar, an préachan, an londumh. An cancuts nó ulchaván. Owl. Ulchaván, an cancuts. Whichever you prefer. You'll see it in some books written like this or like this. Ulchaván. Sin é.